In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Shein gift card. By the end, you'll feel confident redeeming your card smoothly at checkout, whether you're on the Shein app or the website. Start by opening Shein. Make sure your internet connection is stable and, if possible, keep the app updated so everything loads correctly. Once you're in, browse for the items you want. Choose your sizes, colors, and quantities, and add them to your cart. Take your time here. Double-checking your selections now helps prevent last-minute changes later. When you're ready, head to your cart. You'll usually find the cart or bag icon at the bottom or top of the screen. This is a great moment to review what you've added, make sure the items are in stock, and confirm any details like shipping destination, since region and currency can affect gift card compatibility. Next, tap Checkout. This takes you to the order summary. You'll see your items, shipping options, and payment area. Scroll until you find the gift card section. It may appear near the payment methods or promotions area, and it might be labeled gift card or something similar. Now, enter the gift card number exactly as shown on your card. Type it carefully to avoid common mix-ups, and if you're on desktop, copy and paste can help prevent errors. Then enter the PIN code. This code is typically found alongside the card number and is used to verify the card. Keep both the number and PIN private and never share them publicly. After you've entered both fields, tap Apply or Redeem. The button label can vary slightly, but it performs the same function. It checks your card and applies the available balance to your order. If you see an error, take a moment to recheck for typos, confirm you're using the correct region and currency, and try again. Simple formatting errors are the most common cause of failed attempts. Once the card is accepted, you'll see the balance automatically deduct from your order total. If the card covers the full amount, your total should drop to 0 for the merchandise, and you can proceed to place the order. If it only covers part of the total, the remaining amount will show clearly, and you can pay the difference with your chosen payment method. Any leftover value on the gift card remains there for future purchases. That's it. Open Shein, add your items, head to checkout, find the gift card section, enter the number and PIN, apply it, and watch the balance reduce your total. If anything seems off, a quick review of your entries usually fixes it. Enjoy your shopping.